Meaning of frantic.
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 Frantic. Frantic means to be in a state of wild or uncontrolled activity. It can refer to a person who is extremely agitated, or to a situation that is characterized by frenzied or chaotic behavior. When someone is frantic, they are often acting with urgency and desperation, sometimes to the point of irrationality. This state of mind can lead to poor decision-making and impulsive actions. Overall, being frantic is a highly emotional and stressful experience that can leave people feeling exhausted and overwhelmed.